Hello everyone! Ready for an awesome adventure? Today, I'm super excited to share with you a simple way to get a Pokemon Go hack on both iPhones and Android devices. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of the tutorial, let me give you a sneak peek into the magic. Take a look at my screen, and you'll spot a joystick right there. We can move our character without walking with the phone. But that's not all. Check this out. There's a map that acts like our teleportation guide, allowing us to jump to any location we fancy. Then, we've got these hot spots, like treasure spots in the Pokemon world, showing us the very best places to teleport. And hold on, we can even change our character's speed for a customized experience. There's a bunch more cool stuff, but I won't dive into all of it right now. I don't want to make this video too long. Now, let's dive into the how-to part. I'll guide you through getting the Pokemon Go hack on your iPhone first, and then we'll talk about doing it on Android. For iPhones, let's make a few tweaks to your settings. Head to General in your settings and ensure that background app refresh is switched on for either Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, swing by the battery settings and turn off low power mode if it's on. You'll notice it when your battery turns yellow. Lastly, pop into the App Store and double-check that automatic downloads is good to go. With those settings set, you're almost there. Open your internet browser and make your way to injectelite.com. Once there, look for Pokemon Go. Type it into the search bar, click on it, and hit Start Injection. Be a bit patient as the injection process does its thing, and after that's done, give it a couple of minutes for Pokemon Go to work its magic on your device. Now, for our Android pals, the process is a breeze. Just a tiny setting to tweak. Find the battery saver option and turn it off so your Pokemon Go Spoofer can shine. After that, follow the same steps as on the iPhone. Go to injectelite.com, find Pokemon Go, and click Start Injection. Sit back, relax, and wait for it to do its thing. I personally tried out the Pokemon Go Spoofer on Android, and it worked seamlessly. If this method works wonders for you too, be a hero, share it with your friends, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more fun and useful content. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.